you freaking kidding me? You don't know how to drive? But that's how you pronounce it. Ganon yung mukha niya.
He's waiting for trees. I didn't even trees.
Oh, you didn't. Hi guys, good morning. I just wanna say good morning. Early today, it's 6:59, almost 7 o'clock, and we're heading to dialysis para i-drop ko yung mother-in-law ko. Good morning guys. Ang ginaw guys. Tignan nyo ako guys. Naka-double up talaga guys. Okay pa naman yung gas ko, so okay lang. Hold on guys. I will be right back. So where did you went yesterday?
What?
Yesterday.
Oh my God, we had such a busy weekend.
Why?
We
What
had
did you
Saturday, we had Jimmy's baby's birthday party.
The little baby?
They had told us, Andrea, you know, and then Andrea said, well, I don't know, because Isabel's coming up and, you know, going with me. I don't know if we have any plans. And they said, oh, is she coming up? Oh, tell her to come to the party. And then Sunday, we went shopping.
Yeah. Where did you went?
And well, she took me to the Christmas shop, and I took 2 little glass tops for the tree.
Na-drop ko na yung biyanan ko at saka pagkatapos doon ano tayo, punta tayo sa isang bahay. Andun si Tami naghihintay pero gusto ko sanang pumunta siya sa bahay namin agad kasi para makapahinga naman siya at may kasama yung aso. So yun. Palagi naman niyang tulog. Ano ba tong sasakyan to? Hindi ka ba magpunta doon? Ano ba? What's wrong with this car? Ay, naku. What is he doing? Are you freaking kidding me? You don't know how to drive? Ay, naku. What the heck? What is she doing? There's something wrong with this. Tignan nyo. Tignan niya siya. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Ano ba yan? Kidding me, the driver's blocking that car ahead of me. I said, what the heck is she doing? Doon, sa gitna ng light, nag-ano siya. Ay, natawa naman ako nito. Gumaganon-ganon. Paano siya? Alis, nagbabacking up siya. Binablock niya lahat yung the other way that kailangan ng nag-green light na. Binablock niya lahat. Naloka ako. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-turn sa gitna ng freaking light. Oh my God. Nasa gitna talaga siya ng crossing, guys. Nagtuturn siya. Nagtuturn. Ala, turn siya. Para, ano ba? Anyway guys, so punta na ako sa bahay. Magkita-kits na lang tayo dito. Itong mata ko nag-ano. Hindi ko na alam. Ay, ang sakit. Ang sakit. Some people live for some people live just to play the game. Ay, naku. Ay, naku. Kiniba kay makaluya manigtuhod ni mga kanta. Uy. Makaluya manigtuhod. Uy. Nagsakit ang akong tiyan. That you'd find your way to me. Kanta muna tayo.
It's a miracle that's happened.
Anyway. Wala si Tami. Nandun sa talas natutulog. Natutulog yung asawa ko. He just got up guys. And the first thing he said, off the camera please come.
Again. Shut it off.
Okay, fine. I will shut it off, guys, because he just get up. Han, let's go to 5 Below, Han.
5 Below.
Huh?
What's the 5 Below?
What is 5 below? It's 5 below. Under 5. This is, guys, this is, look, he left me in there and he go there.
Because you said that you walk out when I was there, so I'm here. You can come in here, but then it's your choice.
Mukbang in the car like we do usually do. What do you
mukbang do you get from 5 below?
Nothing there. Smash box, smash burger.
They were slow as piss.
Let's go over there, get something.
They weren't that good, they were just slow.
It's really good. The burger over there is really good. Burger and smash burger. They smash everything.
Right.
Fine.
Shower, we'll go to Smash Burger.
I told you not.
Online.
No.
What do you know?
You were online. I sit in the car. And the usual thing is I sit in the car, you go in. Okay. Well, forget it. I'm just gonna have the lamb.
Popeyes.
Oh, Popeyes! Popeyes, huh? Popeyes. Roxy, Popeyes, huh? Go Popeyes, huh?
Okay.
Are you ready to? Are you going to ride over there? Farther, farther.
Farther? Who farts?
Farther, huh?
Farther.
Farther. Oh my God! You have to twist the tongue.
It's actually,
farther.
It's actually further.
Further? Huh? That's American accent is like stop. Did you guys see that people in the Philippines, even Chris Aquino, that it's really good in grammar, pronouncing words, she said Connecticut. Okay, Connecticut and Connecticut. That's how she.
That's the way it's spelled.
But that's how you pronounce it. But American people, they kind of like twist and short and make it everything like closer, like squish everything. Connecticut. But in the people that good in grammar and reading stuff, Connecticut.
That's not how it's pronounced.
But I don't pronounce that Connecticut because I could
that's the way it's pronounced.
Because I pronounce it like an American here, like Americans like Connecticut.
That's the way it's pronounced.
God bless you. Honey, the first thing you look is the camera.
I heard you beep it.
I heard it beep it. Guys, he has a problem. Every time we go to our house, he won't stop, guys. All he does, guys, in sleeping with me is sneezing. Nag-atsing-atsing, guys. Umatsing-atsing si Tommy. At sometimes matawa na lang ako, guys, dahil yung God bless you, baby. Dahil sometimes matawa ako. Sometimes it makes me laugh because when it's like he can't stop sneezing. Hindi na niya mapigilan ba yung palagi na lang ganyan. Yung mukha niya, guys, natawa ako. Sometimes hindi matuloy-tuloy yung mga paghahatsing niya. Dumaganon yung mukha niya. Sometimes ay binabagbagan ko na lang yung ano niya, mag-stop agad. And I tell them that sometimes when you are like can't stop doing it, of your face like this and
Time to dust and stuff came off those fans, and nobody even turns those on.
In our house?
Yeah.
God bless you, baby boy. Anyway, guys, nalubat na ako, guys. Comfortably pala siya, guys. As in, it's very soft. It's not really good for cold. Ito yung binili ng biyanan ko. Yung nag-shopping kami. So, hindi pala siya as in, sarap pala sa feeling, guys. As in, really soft. Hindi siya heavy. Kasi yung ibang coat, diba? Sobrang kapal at saka mabigat. Ito hindi, guys. At saka may ano pa dito sa kamay o para hindi makapasok yung hangin. That's why the squirrel died because they just like pass across the street and then when there's car coming, they just sit there like this. They don't do nothing. They don't move. The deer come back too for some reason.
Well, because you ever hear the expression, the deer caught in the headlights. Because the lights of the car kind of like make him freeze up. They just freeze. They don't know what to do. Yeah. And that's an unfortunate thing for them.
It's
squirrels, they can't make up their mind. They'll run back and forth, trying to make up their mind which direction is the safest until they get squished.
Yeah. I get sad to see deer died.
Or any animal.
Yeah, but the deer is more like, well, the dog, the cats. But as we see a lot of deer than the anything.
I don't know, I see a lot of cats and dogs.
I never see cat and dogs died in the
Because you're not
street.
driving in the city.
If the owner have the pets, why delete that pets run loss?
Well, for a couple of reasons. One is sometimes the pet gets out. Mostly because most people own pets shouldn't.
I see some.
There's a lot of people who own pets for the wrong reasons. Like they own dogs because they want the dog to protect them, but they don't care about dog. Dog's like a tool.
Yeah, it's not good. You drive aggressive.
I do. I live in New York. If you don't drive aggressive in New York, you don't move.
So aggressive.
You might as well just get on a bus.
That's why I learned a little bit of aggressiveness from you.
Well, you shouldn't because you're not driving in the city.
A little bit only, man.
Where you drive, you don't need to be aggressive.
Yeah,
Where I drive, you do.
Listen.
You don't look a mile in front of me.
You know you have to exit to the right
Yeah.
because you cannot exit to the left.
Well, that's not true. There are some exits on the left.
No, there is a thing in here in the reeling here.
There are some exits to go left.
Mahirap pa palang magkalisod. Magkalisod-lisod. Every time Tommy drive, guys, my head is like this. Very, very activated.
Expression is when in Rome.
So activate. Watch out.
It's off.
Allah, watch out.
I don't know where to go.
You off it already. You just hit the whole thing.
Yeah, mine I don't have to look because I know exactly where it was.
This is yours too.
Yeah, but I know.
So now suddenly it's mine.
I don't drive it, so I gotta look.
This is mine now. You cannot drive it anymore. A lot of ladies looking at you, hon.
Why is that?
I don't know why people are like looking at you like.
It's Christmas. They think I'm Santa Claus driving around in a car.
When Tommy was working, may taong nagsasabi sa kanya, I think that person is working in the movie thing, right? What's his job? May nagsabi sa kanyang bakit ang trabaho ng asawa ko is ganon. Ang trabaho niya is ganon. Ang trabaho niya related sa mga movie. May nagsabi sa kanya na bakit ito yung trabaho mo? Ba't hindi ka nag-artista? Ang look mo is pang-artista kapag mag-ayos yung asawa ko, guys mo. Ilagay ko dito mga picture, guys, mga similarity like Tommy. Alam ko noon na marami si Tamming kamukha ng mga aktor. At hindi maniwala itong kigwahon, guys. Hindi talaga maniwala. So yun, may nagsabi sa kanya. So naniwala tuloy, pero sabi niya, ba't nag-actor daw siya? Wala daw siyang mukha. Katawa pa ang tawanan. Di wala daw siyang mukha, guys. Murag ako magsalita, wala daw siyang mukha. Ay nako. Kaplalon. Why are you bringing two canes?
Because this one, if it's snowy and icy.
Yeah, but you're going home tomorrow. You're going home tomorrow.
Yeah, well, but today I'm walking around, so.
No, we're not gonna cook tonight. We have food already, chicken plus the rice. We do it tonight.
Tomorrow you're gonna cook the whole rib like a rib in the
Yeah.
roast?
And look at, guys. Okay, why you bought it?
What?
That one. You have another one in the house.
I don't want to food for the holidays.
And then so why you get that?
So we can have it.
Oh, gee, you're almost Christmas, like almost.
They're both in this house, right? The pork roast and that?
It's right here.
Yeah.
No, it's over there. In the house. I have it in the vlog.
You put it in the house? I thought you brought it to this house.
No. You put it in Ziploc bag, put it in the freezer. We don't do nothing in New Year's here.
No.
It's not like Philippines that we do like fireworks everywhere. The same thing we do
They
with
do
like
fireworks
Christmas.
here.
Why you guys keep following me for? Something wrong with this too.
They said we miss you while you're gone.
Miss me? Yeah, right. What's the name, hon? Oh, that's really big. Ella Rox is afraid. Ella. Guys, after 30 minutes, ito na sila guys. This is what happened. I'm up here. Yung asawa ko at saka si Roxy, si Misty, andun pa sila sa baba. Pero gusto ko nang matulog pero hindi magawa ng buhay ko.
1, 2.
Habs is not with you?
He was. He's waiting for treaties. I didn't give him treaties.
Oh, you didn't.
I guess I will.
Yep, you know them. You gonna let Dimples in?
Yeah, for a little bit. Come on, Dimps.
Leave that open. If you let her in, you can let it open and then get some treaties. Dimps, come in. Dada said you can come in for a few minutes. Oh, where you going? Where are you planning to go? Where are you planning to go? Look at it. She gets so excited, guys. Tignan niyo, guys. Tignan niyo. Na-excited yung isa. Huwag kang gagawa ng rumal-dumal na krimen, ha? No krimen, ha? Walang krimen dito, ha? Don't do anything.
Come on.
Hello guys, insert shout out. Yun na ba ang aga kong mag-insert shout out? Hi to Joan Baron, hi to Gloria D. Jesus from Nashville, Tennessee. Hi to Simply Maray from Saudi Arabia. Hi to She Smooth. Hi sis, Merry Christmas sis. Shy Smooth. And also hi to Mika and Bidoya at saka sa honey daw niya. Hi from Cebu. Thank you for watching. Hi to Main Mendoza. Hi to Julian Gayumali. Hi to Therese Lasibal from Hong Kong. So hi to Juan Galiza from Hong Kong also. Hi to Asi Hopeless at saka sa friend niya Jonathan Cooper from Duarte, California. Hi guys. Hi to Corazon Bantilan and also to her fiancé Billy Steven. Hi. Belated happy birthday to Sandra Lona, December 20 at sa kanyang anak. Belated happy birthday guys. Hi to Marichu Sia. Hi to Rachel Cruz and also hi to Jing Chan at I think this is belated happy birthday to Dave Castano. Hi. Belated happy birthday, 64th birthday this coming Sunday, which is late already, to Orduya Alanano Amelita, and also hi to Carol B. Cheryl. Hi. Anyway guys, and I'm going to end this video. Good night, sa. Say good night.
Hi guys.
Okay guys, bye. Good night guys. Don't lingog-lingog mi ha. Nagpalingog-lingog lang kada.